Hi everyone. Today I'm here to say something very important. Your essential guide for typhoons and flood. Living in the Philippines, we know how the unpredictable the weather can be. So let's make sure we are prepared. First, stay informed. Always monitor reliable weather updates from Pag-asa or your local government. Second, go bag. You should include bottle of water, non-perishable food, first aid kit, flashlight and batteries, and important documents in waterproof case. Third, keep your phone charged and save emergency hotline numbers. You need to call a help or stay connected if you think get tough. And last, don't forget evacuate early if advised. Always have a whistle to signal for help and avoid walking or driving through floodwaters. Always remember, preparation is key. Stay safe. Sabi nga nila, ligtas ang may alam. Thank you for watching.